welcome back. I know it has been a long time since I've sat down and been in front of the camera for you guys, and I just filmed a video explaining all of that, so that will be coming up. But first I wanted to share with you something that I think is just an absolutely wonderfully fantastic Valentine's Day gift. And I apologize for my dogs fighting in the background. But this is a subscription service that I have looked at multiple times. I did a video not too long ago on my perfume collection, and if you remember, it was very small. And in fact, most of my perfume collection is just right back here, and I have 2 big bottles of perfume, and that's it. That's all I have right now. So I've looked at these perfume subscription services for a while because I really like the idea, because perfume, cologne, it is so expensive, and Ryan is a big cologne wearer, so it's something that I've really looked into, not only for me but for him as well. So when Luxury Scent Box reached out to me, I was over the moon ecstatic. So they sent me out a little package, and I'm going to kind of walk you through sort of what I think about this subscription and how it works. So first off, they sent me this lovely little box, Luxury Scent Box, and it is $30 a month. And for $30 a month, you get a new 30-day supply of a perfume or cologne every month. They come in these really nice refillable, so you just twist it up, and you've got your spray right there, and then you can twist it down. So absolutely perfect for travel. But then you can also pull that out, and here is what that perfume actually looks like. So the next month when you get your perfume or your cologne, it will look like this, and then you just pop it in there and close it down, and you're good to go. Dogs, hey. So they come in a whole bunch of different colors, and I do believe that if you get a subscription that you will get a new color every 3 to 6 months. And I'll show you another one. This is the red one, and I absolutely love these. These are fantastic. They look great. They look great when I have them on display. They're very easy to throw into my purse. I don't have to worry about anything breaking or anything like that. Plus, at $30 a month, I'm getting to try something new every single month. My main issue with perfume, with cologne, is that you're spending over $100 for one scent. And in the time, you know, I look at it and, like, I have this bottle of Pure Poison by Dior. This was so expensive, and I've used it down to about here, but I pull out the bottle and I go, do I really want to use this today? Because it was so expensive. And so half the time I end up just not wearing perfume because I'm worried about running out of it. Or, you know, I'll buy one and I'll use it for 2 or 3 months, and then I'm tired of it, and I've barely made a dent in the bottle, but I paid over $100 for it. So that's why I've really looked into these subscription services. So I got this box from Luxury Scent Box, and I hadn't had it 6 hours, and Ryan got on the website to subscribe for him. So I'll kind of walk you through the process of subscribing for him. We were able to do it on mobile, so you can do it on your computer, you can do it on your phone. Any of that works. So the very first thing that we did was we logged on to the website, created an account, and then chose that we wanted cologne for men. There's a little quiz that you answer as far as what kind of scents do you like. Do you like woodsy? Do you like more natural? Do you like spicy? A whole bunch of different questions like that. And then it asks you to choose some of your favorite perfumes or colognes. In this case, we were choosing cologne. So Ryan went and picked 3 of his very favorite colognes. So that helps them to match you with things that you are going to like. And then when you get to the very end, they give you, a selection that you can choose from. They recommend certain products, but you can really pick from anything that they have. And then you can actually choose exactly which perfume or cologne that you want to receive every month. So this is the one that Ryan received. It is in this silver. and this is The One by Dolce & Gabbana. And he is a really big fan of a lot of those, I want to say like really kind of spicy masculine scents. He likes, oh my gosh, I can't even remember all of the stuff that he likes. But he likes Polo Sport. He likes stuff like that. Eternity for Men, several things like that. So he got this, and I was a little bit nervous because he's very, very picky. I've been to Sephora with him cologne shopping before, and it took us 2 hours to decide on the bottle that he wanted to purchase. 2 hours of smelling stuff, 2 hours. So I was a little bit nervous, but he absolutely loved this, and I love the way that this smells too. Plus, he gets to use it for 30 days, and then he'll get another one. Ryan wears cologne every single day, whether he is going to work with a bunch of guys in the machine shop, whether he is going to drill for the Navy, or whether he's at home just working. He likes to smell good and wear cologne. So this works out really great for us. The process was so easy. We got our first shipment very, very quickly, and I'm just very pleased with the way that the subscription service worked. Now onto the ones that they sent me. Both of these are absolutely beautiful, and the person that I was emailing with had asked me sort of what some of my favorite perfumes were, and I told her the two that I have back here, the Dior Pure Poison and Flower Bomb. Those are the two perfumes that I own. So they sent me a Clotte d'Arpège by Lanvin, which is what that is. And I like the fact that, it says very clearly on here what it is. So, if I really like this and I want to get it again, or I did want to go out and purchase the full size, I know exactly what to get. This is just a very kind of beautiful, light, slightly floral scent. It's not too strong, it's not too powerful. This is a really great sort of everyday perfume, and I've really enjoyed wearing it. This one, however, turned out to be our favorite, and it is in the red bottle. This one is a little bit more va va voom-y, a little bit more date night. This is Lolia Relax by Margot Elena. Now, what is really interesting about this subscription is I've never heard of either of these perfumes. I've never smelled either of these perfumes, and I probably never would. That's one thing that I've always really liked about subscription boxes. No matter which one that you get, you are exposed to things that you wouldn't have been exposed to before. And while when it comes to like eyeliner or blush, I know the brands that I want to look at when I go to the store. I know the colors that I want to look at when I go to the store. I know what I'm looking for. When it comes to cologne and perfume, I don't know as much. I know when I smell something whether I like it or not, but if I'm looking at the notes in something or the undertones, I don't necessarily know what that means, and I don't think the majority of us really do. So this is absolutely fantastic. So you get a new perfume or cologne every single month. We do have Ryan subscribed already, and I will be subscribing very shortly because this is it's a great way to save money. We don't have to come up with $100 and something at a time. How are we going to afford more? This is a fantastic way. And also with Valentine's Day coming up in a couple of days, if you don't have anything picked out yet for your significant other, this is absolutely fantastic. It'll only take you about 10 or 15 minutes to go through the entire subscription process, and then you can have a really nice gift to give them for Valentine's Day and let them know every single month of the year that you love them when their perfume or cologne shows up on the doorstep. So give this a try. If you've tried it, let me know what scents that you've gotten that you've really enjoyed, because I'm getting ready to, a little bit later on tonight or tomorrow, to sit down and start picking out the scents that I want for my subscription. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried this perfume subscription, or if you've tried any perfume subscriptions. What do you love about them? And I will see you guys next time. I hope you have a wonderful